Today I'm giving you one of my favorite little biohacks for cravings, especially carb cravings. This is something you can use anytime, anywhere. It works because it interrupts the craving pathway in the brain before it has time to build momentum. I'll call it the 30-second craving reset. Here's the truth. Most cravings are not actually about food. We've been talking about this. Most cravings are about cortisol, stress hormones, habit loops, and emotional triggers. Yesterday, we talked about HALT, hungry, angry, lonely, and tired. And cravings love to show up in all four of those states. Your brain learns that carbs deliver quick dopamine, quick energy, and quick relief. So when you feel stressed or depleted, it pulls the fire alarm. This hack interrupts the fire alarm in under 30 seconds. That's pretty powerful when you think about it. And here's all you do. When a craving hits, you stop, plant your feet, take in a long, slow nasal breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it at the top for 2, and then exhale slowly out your nose for 6 seconds. As you do that, squeeze every muscle in your legs, quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, like you're trying to push the floor away. Hold that squeeze through the full exhale, then relax and do it again. One breath, one squeeze. That's the entire hack. So you might be thinking, Rose, why does this work? Because number one, slow nasal breathing drops cortisol immediately. It shifts you from fight or flight into the parasympathetic nervous system. And number two, an isometric contraction, tightening your muscles without moving, sends massive sensory feedback to your brain. It literally pulls the brain's attention away from the craving loop and anchors it back into your body. The combination of those two things breaks the craving circuit. It gives you just enough of a pause to make a different choice. And that's the magic. It's really incredible. If you know your physiology, that's the pause between the craving and the behavior. Does this replace good nutrition? No. Does it mean you never need boundaries or structures? No, of course not. But it's going to keep you more consistent. But when a craving hits out of nowhere, especially at night or when you're stressed or when you're tired, this 30-second reset can save you from going down a road you didn't want to go down. Try it the next time a craving hits. Thanksgiving's coming up, so I think we'll have time to practice. Stop, breathe, squeeze, and reset. If this helps, hit like so more people see it, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm Dr. Rose. This is the Daily Spoonful.